Hello everyone, today I'm showing you how to make cheesy garlic buns. So let's see what you need for this. Let's get started. In a large bowl, add flour, sugar, garlic powder, salt, instant yeast, then mix it. Knead your dough with light warm milk. I usually use my hands. You can use your hand mixer or wooden spoon, however you would like. Add melted butter, and knead again very well for about 10 minutes. After that, cover it and let your dough rise at room temperature for 2 hours. Now for garlic paste, I have some fresh parsley here, melted butter, and chopped garlic. Mix all these ingredients together. Garlic, melted butter, and parsley. Set aside. Okay, after it double in size, remove dough from bowl. Press dry flour on kitchen slab. Make a roll and divide the dough into pieces. Take one piece of dough and flatten it. Place mozzarella cheese into the center of each piece. You can use shredded cheese also. Fold up the edge and form into the bun shape. Brush the baking dish with melted butter. And place the buns on the prepared baking dish. Cover with plastic wrap again and let it sit for 1 hour until doubled in volume. You can place the buns onto baking pan also. So after it double in size, brush the buns with garlic paste. So good, and it's ready for bake now. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Bake for 20 minutes or until the buns are golden brown. So when the buns come out, brush them with the remaining melted butter and serve hot. Hope you guys like it. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to keep updated.